Germinate or sow seeds in early spring. The temperature should be at least 20 degrees Celsius or 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Buy grape seeds from market or take out from store-bought grapes. Take fully ripe grapes and take out their seeds. Wash the seeds thoroughly. Only firm seeds are good. Soak the seeds in water for 24 hours. Discard any floating seeds. Many seeds require them to be placed in fridge for 2 months enclosed in a wet paper to begin the germination process. But you may not need it, as grocery stores generally store grapes in cold storage. Please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to know when a new video is uploaded. Also please like and share the video.